Hello, traders, and welcome back to Newtonfx Academy YouTube channel. And if you're new to the channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And it's a brand new year. It's the year of opportunities. It's the year of blessings, and it's the year of giving, guys. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a simple strategy that you guys can use on a daily basis. I know a few traders of mine and some of my students did basically fall in love with this strategy, so they use it on a daily basis. So why not? But I'm here to give you guys something free for the new year, this simple support and resistance strategy. I hope you guys are excited, because if you're not, I don't know why are you not. Because why? It's a brand new year. It's a year of opportunities. So let's get it, guys. So with no further ado, let's get into the strategy, guys. So as you guys could see, right, we do have this area of resistance, right? Price did break above it, come and respect it, right? There we can see price basically did create this double bottom. So now we can basically see that price is basically in a consolidation. So what we do in a consolidation, you can either trade from the support or you can trade from the resistance. But what I'm teaching my students here at Newtonfx Academy is to do nothing. We don't trade any consolidations or ranges. We will most likely wait for breakouts before we will execute on any trading position, guys. That is only what we're doing here at Newtonfx Academy. We're always waiting for clean market structure and condition. So let's the market run. Okay, so wait. See how price behaving on that area of support. Okay, there we have our first sign of break of structure under this previous lows, right? That's a sign for downwards momentum, right? One thing that we have to keep in mind with this strategy is you must be so concerned about all of your support and resistance, right? This is an area of interest. Now we tap into this area. So wait. I know a lot of traders will take a trading position from this reason right here, right? But yet Newtonfx Academy, we will most likely wait for a second attempt, right? The second attempt for us is most likely the best, right? We have this highs right here now, because right, this is our lower high. We have this lower low. If you take a selling position from here, you only have this small range to this lower low. So that is not a trading opportunity for me. Let's wait. You see, this is what will happen. I love to see this. I see some form of rejection from this lower high in this area of resistance, right? Just wait. Not yet. Okay. I'll most likely take a position now, because why, we did break under this area of support, right? I will keep a stop position right there, 40 points, right? Now I'm targeting my 2 to 1. There we go. This is going to be my target area. Okay, as you guys could see, price did come back into this area. It's also the area of support as well. Let me just mark it right. Let's go. Beautiful 2 to 1 trade. So the reason behind this trade, guys, is that, and the reason why we not took this trade, because why, the range was too small to take a trading position into this area of support. We was waiting confidently. We was waiting patiently, sorry for that. And you guys could see we got a rejection from this region. We was waiting for price to break under this area of support. We see price did break under support and did also break under our 200, our 21 EMA. There we did take a trading position. We keep our stop just above our previous lower low and our previous lower high. Sorry, guys. Let's wait. Let's see if we can find more positions. Okay, here we can see price come back for retracement. That look like something. But you see that rejections. Let's see if I'm taking a trading position right here. See how it will work out. Because right price did break out and retest it. Price can easily spike out right now, but this will be my target. This will be my target, this lows. Okay, their price break above my 21 EMA again. So I will be really skeptical right now because my price can easily just spike up right now. Let's wait. Price starting to form this squeezing flag. There we got stopped out in that trade. That's okay. That's okay. Now we have to keep in mind is that we still have this reason right here. This is a lower high point and this is an area of resistance. Let's wait. Okay. There we back at this reason now, right? We back at this reason. We can remove this area of support because right, we did see price did run through it and back into this reason right here. I will most likely trying to look for a position from this reason. There, I'm gonna take this trading position. Reason for that is right, as you guys could see, price did come down from this reason multiple times. So this is also an area of supply for me now. So I will put my position right there. Keep my stop just above there. And I will target this lows here. All right. We did lose 40 points. Yeah, we're gonna gain 130 points. Just lift my stop up a bit. There we go. See how it goes. Let's go. Okay, that's beautiful. Wow. There we have a 3-to-1 beautiful trading position. You see how this trading setup basically plays out, guys. And I don't even know the charts. Okay, so wait. See, price did create and respect this area of support, right? Now we just have to wait. We can move this area to here, right? We can move this because right, this is our lower high point into the market. This is also an area of resistance. Okay, let's see if price can create a double bottom. Okay, their price created a double bottom, so we will most likely see some upwards move. Okay, not yet. You see, price on this region did create this resistance, right? In this area of support. So let's see what price is trying to do now. There, I'm gonna take a sell position. We are trading under our 21 EMA. I'm gonna keep my position right there. Let's see 30 points. I'm gonna target this region here again. Back into the range. Oh, I hate that. I hate that. Right? There I got stopped out on 30 points. That's okay. Okay. Price is back at this area that we was basically waiting for, but we was trading this region when price starting to break out. That's a momentum candle for me. Taking a trading position, keep my stop just above there, and target this region. But on this trade, I will target I will target this support, right? But most likely my 200 SMA right there. You see, there's my 2-to-1 trade got respected. See how price basically starting to move. Okay, that price retrace. I love to see that. Right? Let's go. Okay, that price at my 200. Take profit got hit. Guys, so this is basically the strategy, guys, that you guys can see. We only lose 2 trades and we won 2 trades. And we did trade with a ratio of 2-to-1, guys. So I hope you guys understand this strategy, what I basically just teach you guys. As you guys can see, I did take 2 losses just to be transparent for you guys. And if you guys can count all of the trades, you guys can see this 2 to 1, 2 to 1, right? There's more than 2 to 1, and there's 2 to 1, right? You guys can see I'm in profit with this strategy only by trading the support and resistance, right? So let's wait for another setup. Okay, that price is back at this area of support, and now it's coming resistance. Let's see. Price can easily come back to this region here again. Just gonna show one more example. Watch yet. Not yet. Mm, wow. Our entry was here, guys, but we did miss it. This was our entry. This was our entry. But I did miss it. So thanks guys. Thanks guys for watching, guys. And I hope you guys get a lot of value from it. And there's a lot of new stuff coming out here at Newtonfx Academy. I hope you guys are excited for this new year, because well, I'm excited as well for you as well, and for myself, for the new process and for the new progress that is coming into the market, guys. So this is it for this video, gang. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you don't understand it, please watch it again, because why, you guys will see how simple is this strategy. Basically, it's only by looking out for your support and resistance. That's all of it. And if you guys want to learn more, you guys can check out the link in the description box down below. So I'm out.